Pagemaker. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Pagemaker and some other little problems. So it's going to be in a playlist function, but this part of the video is going to be the Cloudflare integration. So a lot of people are having problems with their Pagemaker, and it's something that I notice it's okay I talk about. So if that's what you're having problem with, you want to connect your Cloudflare with Pagemaker and your domain, your own personal domain, then let me show you. Let's hop into my PC now, then I'll show you how that. So this is my Pagemaker account. I have some pages created, but for this example, I'm going to use this page. So this page has the domain, which is the pagemaker.link domain on it. So now for us to fix that, which means I have to add a domain on my own server. So I'm using what's it called, Namecheap. So what I have to do is to go to my cPanel. This is the fastest way. There are some other ways too if you don't connect your own Namecheap or GoDaddy account with a host, with a host like this. So let me quickly show you with the host method. So in case if you want to connect directly without using any host, probably from your domain, GoDaddy domain, Namecheap domain, and some other domain, I can record a tutorial for you if that's what you actually need. So now let me quickly show you. As I'm saying, we search for zone editor. Okay, so let me quickly show you that the zone editor is coming up. Now we have the Jide Jeremiah there. Since this is me, so we are about to add a new A record. So let's go to here. We have to add the domain here. We have to add the domain here. Then let's add the domain. We should call it A Jeremiah.com. So now this is the subdomain we want to add, and this is the domain. So now if I hit the continue button, if I press the continue button like this, it's going to say it's not verified. So now let's imagine you copy your domain. Now this is it. You copy the A record, which is very important thing you do, and put it in mind that if you are connecting your main domain, which does not include this part, instead of you putting the domain or the demo or anything, you have to leave that area blank. You have to leave the area blank. Just leave the let me show you again. Let me quickly show you. So you have to leave this area blank. If you are connecting just the domain, just put the domain and forget about it. So the other work is going to be in your zone editor. So now let's add the record. So now the record name is, what's it called? Demo.Jide Jeremiah. So now the IP we are adding is this. So now the demo.jidejeremiah.com is automatically filled. So this is what we are trying to add so far. So now let's add it. So now the demo.jidejeremiah has been added to my domain name. But when you check, let's check. Let me quickly check. I copied the domain. When you check here, it's going to say nothing. It's not even going to show anything. It's not going to show you that you have the domain ready, you have anything ready. No, it's not going to say anything at all, and that's something. So what you have to do now is that you have to go to your Cloudflare. The main thing there is that you've connected your domain to Cloudflare, nothing you put here on the zone editor or your anywhere is going to work. You have to set it directly from Cloudflare. So now let's go back to our Cloudflare. Let's select the domain that we connected to, which is the djjeremiah.com, and remember our DNS name. It's called what? Let's add new record. Let's add new record demo, and the IP address is called this. So now you save. So now if we reload this now, let's see what's going to happen. As you can see, now it's perfectly showing some IPs, but none of the IP we added is showed up here. So now this is where a lot of people do have the problem. So now they will now come to their Pagemaker, they will now try to verify, and it's still not going to verify. just because the DNS here is only pointing to something else, not the PageMaker domain. If you notice very well, it's not pointing to PageMaker. So now what you have to do is to locate it and edit it, or probably do this before you actually save it. So you have to disable the proxy. This proxy is the DNS that is showing the IP that is pointing to here. So now if we disable it, it's going to start using the address you put from here, the PageMaker address you input. That is what it's going to start using. So now if you notice, this is not taking time at all. We are going to go straight forward. So now let's go back to DNS checker instantly, then refresh. You are going to see that it's pointing to the PageMaker. Now if we come back here, so I just want to reload the page and see what's going to happen now. As you can see, very easy like that, very easy. So now everything is now set up with we using DNS, which is Cloudflare, and everything seems working fine. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys.